Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a different video. This is going to be more of like a skincare video. I've actually been seeing this product, which is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit, like all over YouTube and on my Instagram feed. And you guys know that e.l.f. has been really stepping it up with their products. Like they have launched like a completely large selection of skincare products. They have launched that fitness line, which I really am enjoying. I love the spray and the balm that they have. It's really good. And they also have some really good makeup products. So it's just so cool to see these really affordable brands really branch out into different outlets and do all different types of things. So I happen to be in my local Target, which, I mean, can we just talk about Target for a second? They have everything you could possibly need. So I was in there and I ran across this and I was like, this is the perfect time to purchase this. This was a little bit more expensive than your typical drugstore products. It was $24, so it was a pretty penny. But I'm really excited because of all the things that it claims to do. And I think that this is really unique for e.l.f. I mean, look at the packaging. This is so cool and so different. So this is a mask that is formulated with powerful magnetic properties and key antioxidants, carrot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin C, which is super awesome. I love vitamin C. I actually take vitamin C vitamins because they help so much with like my health and just making sure that I don't get sick. And then they have vitamin E, argan oil to replenish your skin and help protect against everyday environmental aggressors. The magnetic tool and iron-based formula work together to visibly lift away surface impurities and minimize the appearance of pores. You guys know anything that has to do with minimizing pores, I'm all for that. Skin is left feeling soft and recharged for smooth makeup ready canvas. So I've seen a lot of magnetic masks that are super duper expensive. So I think this is a pretty good price, $24 for a mask like this. I think that's pretty awesome. So we're just gonna go ahead and dive right into it. And sometimes we want to get facials and stuff, but we may not, you know, be able to do that because of other financial things that we need to take care of. So it's good to have like a little pamper session at home, at least once a month, just to kind of like lay down, you know, pluck your eyebrows, put on a mask on, listen to some relaxing music, put on a candle, take a bubble bath, just whatever really may be awesome for you. I think that's the move sometimes. So it has a 1.76 ounces, which is a good amount of product in here. Pretty cool. This also has that kind of like duochrome finish. So this is what it looks like in the inside. It smells like oranges. It's a really good scent. So we're just going to go ahead and apply this with a brush. I like to use a makeup brush to apply this product. It doesn't matter what makeup brush you use. I just like to use whatever flat brush I have. And we're just going to cover the whole face. It feels really smooth and super soft on the skin as I'm applying it. I want to start doing videos like this where I kind of show you guys like how skincare products work. I feel like that would be really awesome, like masks and stuff. Because I feel like skincare, like you guys know, is super important. I feel like oftentimes we care so much about the makeup and looking beautiful, and we forget the foundation to the face is our skin. And it's crazy because whenever I eat junk food, I feel like I start to get itchy on my face, on my neck. I just actually ate a donut and a little bit of Popeyes because I was craving, I literally ate one piece of chicken from Popeyes and one donut, and I was like, what am I doing? My skin was like not happy with me. Immediately it was like, girl, you better drop it. So I just started drinking this water bottle because I was like, this is not happening right now. It just feels so good, man. Like, it feels really good. I'm excited to see if this is worth $24 because I mean, $24 can also be expensive, especially for a drugstore. But if it works, you know, that's a really good deal because can you imagine like paying those $60 something for those Glam Glow masks? I personally haven't tried them. I heard people like swear by them and I'm sure they're awesome, but I don't know. I couldn't get myself to spend that much money on those masks. So I kind of was just like, whatever, I'll try it when I try it. Okay, so now that I have put on the mask, we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side and kind of read the rest of the directions. So it says to remove the mask, cover the magnetic tool, which we actually have right here. just above the surface of your skin and slowly glide. And then it does say for best results, do not rinse the skin with water. So I'm not going to be rinsing the skin with water. I'm just going to make sure that I really get the full potential of this mask. So I'm actually really excited. I thought this is like really cool, and it's starting to feel like a little tiny bit warm, like tingly, like especially right here where I have really enlarged pores. So maybe it's like really working the magic in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sit it out for a few minutes, and then I will be right back to show you guys how we remove this magical mask. I think it's super cool that they launched this. I think they launched it in the summer, but I think that this is a really good idea, especially for those days where, you know, you really want to take care of your skin and you really kind of want to let it recharge and reheal for the rest of the week. Or if you're going to a special event and you want to look really good the next day, we're going to see if this is actually going to really get those imperfections out and really kind of smooth out the skin and make it look glamorous. So I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and now we're going to go ahead and remove the mask. So it comes with this little like situation where it comes with like these little thingies. I don't even know, like, I don't know. You're gonna put this thing in here like this, like that, and then you're gonna begin. Oh my god, that feels so weird. Okay, we're gonna begin. Oh my god, start removing it. Okay, let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. Oh my god, do you see that? That looks insane. This is insane. My skin looks smoother. There's a little bit of redness right here. It looks like I'm wearing a smoothing primer. That right there looks incredible. Like my skin, it literally looks like I have a smoothing primer on. This actually may be the coolest product that e.l.f. has come out with thus far. And when you feel it on the skin, like the residue of it, like as I kind of like get it off, feels very, very soft. It feels like a baby powder or something on the skin. So I'm just gonna kind of smooth that in. This is incredible. So now all you do is you literally just throw this little thing away. And see how magnetic it is? It literally sticks onto the thing. Oh my god. This is like the craziest thing I've ever tried. And then you have more little baggies. So you want to keep these safe because you're going to keep using them whenever you do this mask. So I feel like by the time you are finished with this mask, that will be done, which is reasonable because I feel like this mask is good to use like once a week to just kind of clean out your skin. I have a little bit left over right here. And I also have to say, I think it's pretty cool that you don't have to go and wash. Because you know, sometimes like you're like masking and then you're like, oh my god, I need to wash this, and then it like takes forever for you to wash it. This is like, well, it's like sticking to everything. This, you literally just go in and it like pulls. I feel like it like pulls from within, like it pulls all that gunk out. So I'm gonna quickly just kind of look at my skin up close. It definitely feels a lot smoother. It feels a lot smoother. My pores don't look so enlarged. And it feels so soft. So I would have to say the smoothing and the softness is like the main thing of this mask. And it says that whatever's left over on the skin, try not to use water to remove it. Just kind of rub it into the skin with your hands, which is what I did. And it felt really good. So I would definitely not suggest using any water. Just kind of let the product work with itself and also with this tool, because I feel like that's kind of the main element. That's kind of what's going to help the product really get in there and do its job. So I would say leave this on for 10 minutes. Then after the 10 minutes, you can go ahead and start using the little tool. But I do have to say, when I first finished those 10 minutes, I was kind of hesitant because I didn't feel like it was dry. It's not a clay mask, but it still felt a little tiny bit wet. Like if I touched it, you could still see it on my fingers. Don't be scared by that. Just go in with the product after 10 minutes and you'll be good to go. I would definitely recommend this to anyone. I think it's totally worth the $24. I feel like that's an amazing price. As I was kind of removing the mask, I was like, wow, I can't believe this is only $24. Like, this is something that you would see at Sephora for like $60, $75. You know what I mean? The fact that you can find this at Target for that price is super awesome. And the fact that e.l.f. went ahead and came up with their little situation of this magnetic mask is also really cool, because I'm feeling myself today. Like, I'm feeling myself. So this is totally approved by me. I think if you haven't checked out this e.l.f. mask, you totally should do so, because this is like a really cool situation, and my skin just is looking so smooth. Like, it's looking so smooth. I'm definitely gonna be using this right before I travel, because I feel like it's just gonna be a nice layer on my skin, and it's just gonna really decongest whatever needs to be decongested. So I'm gonna keep using this and let you guys know. Maybe it'll make it to my monthly favorites, but right now I'm a big fan, and I think that this is something worth buying. So go check it out if you haven't done so already. And that being said, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and become a member of our family here on YouTube, because I wouldn't want you guys to miss a video for the world. If you enjoyed watching this cool skincare video, then please go ahead and thumbs this video so I can do more videos on the skin, because I think this is super cool just to kind of chill without any makeup on, without worrying about putting on lashes and doing these cut creases. We're just chilling here. It's a Friday night, I'm just chilling, you know what I mean? So if you guys enjoyed that, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I think that's all. Have a great day. Wherever you are, have a great day, and I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon for a brand new video. Bye, guys.